Hi Myntra Beauty Fam, welcome to Myntra's YouTube channel. I'm Akanksha Kommirelly. I'm a beauty, fashion and lifestyle content creator on Instagram and YouTube, and today we're going to get ready together. It's raining outside and it's so calm and so peaceful when it rains. It's like everything pauses for a minute. It's so beautiful, but it also does get very gloomy, and I do get very lazy when the weather is so dull. So today I thought I'll just head out to a cafe and get some work done because this weather is not making me do anything at home. So let's get ready together. So first I want to set my hair because in monsoons my hair never stays in place. Like the humidity gets to it, and like no matter what I do, it gets oily, it gets frizzy. So I just want to do a little like sleek clean girl ponytail, and then let's dive into the makeup or skin part. Okay, hair is done. I told you, clean girl aesthetic, perfect for this weather, or else my hair will curl up everywhere. Now I'm going to start off with a skin prep. Now I did wash my face just now with this a simple, refreshing face wash. It's a very beautiful, gentle one. It's 100% soap free, perfect because it cleanses your skin but doesn't strip your skin away, making it feel too dry. Again, if it's too dry, your skin again tends to produce more oil, which will make it more oily. And when it rains, with the humidity, you don't want that. So I just went in with this, cleansed my skin. The simple hydrating light moisturizer is again that perfect for any skin, super lightweight hydrating moisturizer. No matter what your skin type is, it will suit you. Sensitive skin, acne prone skin, it has like no fragrance, nothing. Next, even if it's raining, sunscreen is a must. You cannot skip one. I'm going in with the LA Shield Fisco Matte Sunscreen Gel. So this one is a mineral matte sunscreen, so it won't make your skin more oily or sticky. It again SPF 50 PA+++, so proper sun protection, and it's non-comedogenic, so perfect. Takes a minute to absorb. Starting off with makeup, first I'm going in with skin prep. For that I'm using this Benefit Professional Primer. Now again, I have oily skin, so I do multiple steps to prevent my makeup from getting oily. So at this point, if you have dry skin or normal skin, you can use different products which are probably like normal or hydrating. Now this one does fill my pores perfectly, and it does keep my makeup matte and long lasting, so I'm going in with this one. So I only use it in my T-zone because this is where I get oily the most. Next, I'm going in with powder. Now again, this is a step for preventative for me because I have oily skin. You can totally skip this if you don't have oily skin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going in with this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder. I'm going to take a little sponge and I'm going to lightly dab it only right here. This again, I told you, oily skin. If you have dry skin and do this, your skin will be too damn dry. I tend to get very oily, so this kind of prevents the whole melting makeup off and getting too oily for me. Like right now you can see my face is matte. My face is matte, but it's not dry. It's nourished, is moisturized. It's not dehydrated, but it is matte. Like this is what you want to do. Like skipping moisturizer because you want it to not get oily, or skipping sunscreen like that, you don't want it because that time your skin is not nourished, it's not hydrated, it's not protected. Like it's not going to help you. When you put makeup on, it's not going to glide onto your skin very well as well. So yeah, prep is done. Now for makeup, I'm doing a very like clean, easy, everyday makeup kind of thing. Again, very lightweight because it has to be prevented. Like if you get drenched in the rain, it has to not melt off completely. So it has to be waterproof, but it has to be lightweight so that you can breathe in it. So first, for like my base, I'm going in with the Smashbox Halo All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. Now this one does give like a little dewy effect, but I've mattified my face like quite a lot, so it works pretty fine, and once I put powder, it does come together. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it on like a brush. I'm just going to dab it. Now this one is like literally your moisturizer but tinted, and it just gives you a like pretty lightweight finish, but blurs everything out. Like you can see, like I have a couple of blemishes here. It'll just blur everything out, but there's nothing like heavy on the skin, which I really love about this one. I mean, I just took a little dab of it, and it does not have a lot of coverage, but it like lot of my scars, blemishes, everything is like blurred out, and my skin still looks like skin, which I really love. Again, I told you, a breathable one is something I always prefer. So this is in the shade medium, by the way. Next for concealer, I'm going in with this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is in the shade 314. Now, this one is a little heavier full coverage one, but I'm using this because even if I use a little bit of product, it does give me like a lot of coverage. So I don't have to use like tons and tons of product, which is again my main goal for it to be very lightweight. I need like something which is minimal but like covers a lot of things. So I'm just going to go ahead and add like a little bit on the under eye part. This one is a little lighter, and I am using it because I do want a little brightened under eye effect. See that little bit of product covered like that entire area. Moving on to my favorite part of makeup always, which is blush. I'm going in with this Daughter Earth Lip and Cheek Tint in Coral Nude. Oh my god, I love this one. I'm just taking it, warming it on the back of my hand. I always do this with all my cream product, like not with foundation concealer, but for like contour, blush, highlighter, anything which is cream, I love warming it up first. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it. Now I'm not going to use a bronzer, contour, anything. So I'm going to use this blush only for like color and dimension. So I'm just going to add it on my cheekbones probably. I mean, look at that color. It's so pretty. Going to add a little bit of concealer on my eyelid as well. You can skip this. I sometimes do as well, but today I just feel like adding it. You can skip this and you can do the next step, which I'll be doing. But today I just feel like the contrast between my eyelid and my under eye is like way too much because I use like a lighter concealer. So I just want to add it and cover it up and then go in with the next one, which is adding the same blush on my eyelid as well. Now, blush really makes me so happy. I don't know why. Everything just looks pretty the minute I put blush on. Until the blush is on, I just don't feel like I've done makeup. So I'm going to add this on the lid, pulling it up onto my end of the brow and mixing it with my cheekbone. So I'm trying to like, round off that entire thing and like just make it like lift my face. Like, can you see that? It's just like the entire thing is like lifting, pulling, adding color. Next, I'm going in with the same powder I used initially, the Maybelline Fit Me one. I'm going to set the entire face. It's really important to set it because you want it to last longer, and if you don't set it and it rains and you get drenched, it's going to kind of melt off. I'm trying to show you like a waterproof and a lightweight makeup, if that makes sense. Like, look at it. It looks much better when it's like properly set. Next for brows, I'm going in with this Lakme Micro Brow Pencil. Now, I usually don't do like a lot when I'm not doing proper makeup to my brows, but I just want to like, slightly comb them through. Next for mascara, I'm going to use this Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara, one of the best affordable drugstore mascara. Gives so much volume. Mascara and blush are like the two things that make me so happy. Like, I love doing makeup, but these two steps just like give me another level of satisfaction. Like, do you also have anything like that? Let me know in the comments. You don't need a mascara which melts in the rain and makes you look like you have a black eye. This one is a waterproof one and it's amazing. Like, it'll stay throughout, waterproof, transfer proof. But next I'm going in with lipstick, and I'm going in with this Kiro Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Sandy Rose. I'm locking and setting this entire makeup using this Maybelline Matte Plus Flawless setting spray. You need one to lock your makeup. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. All the products I've used will be linked in the description box, so definitely check it out. And I hope you're enjoying raids, and if you like this video, then make sure you like, share and subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel, and I will see you guys super soon. Bye.